This is the installation guide for ScreenArmor's 7H ballistic glass, made to fit tablets up to 13 inches. Ballistic glass doesn't chip or crack, and yet it is as hard as tempered glass, withstanding impacts up to 3 meters. All this is achieved within a depth of 0.38 millimeters, 3 times more than TPU film. Every sheet comes with dust repellent glue and a dust prevention layer, meaning a perfect install every time. There is also a walkthrough of this installation guide on the front of every blank. We call it the Flip-Fit install, as you flip the white base layer to act as a dust prevention sheet. Tools required are ScreenArmor sticky mat, a hard squeegee, a microfiber cloth, cleaning spray, and 2 installation tabs, of which 20 are provided in every pack. Take your cut blank and note where the cutout has been made for the camera. Always place the tabs at the opposite end and use the camera hole as a guide. Take off any excess cases and remove the screen protector using the hard white ends of the squeegee, especially if the glass is cracked. Clean the screen thoroughly. For particularly grubby screens or residual glue, use a tissue to remove as much dirt and grime before using the clean microfiber cloth. It will last a lot longer. Now be careful to peel off the back white base layer only, being sure not to detach the dust sticker at this stage. Put the white layer to one side, tacky side up. Check that the green and clear protector in your hand is not sticky and weed off the excess frame and discard. Place your screen protector directly onto the tablet screen. Peel off a black install tab and stick half of it over the bottom of the screen protector, making sure it is aligned perfectly. Then stick it to the bottom of the tablet. Stick another tab to the bottom of the protector and then lift the tablet to ensure a secure adhesion. Double check that you can flip the screen protector back and forth, ensuring that it falls back into the correct position. Now lift the screen protector and lay it flat onto the counter next to the screen using the tabs as hinges. Taking your white layer, find the sticky side and flip this face down to cover your clean tablet screen, leaving a centimeter or so overhanging the join. Fold back this overhang using the bottom edge of the tablet as a guide. It should stick up slightly. Gently rub the white layer with a squeegee to pick up any dust. With your left hand, slowly tease away one corner of the clear dust layer on the bottom of the screen protector, and then pinch the same corner of the white layer. With the right hand, lift the clear screen protector and slowly peel off both clear and white layer in one motion, lowering the screen protector as you go. Align it onto the tablet screen as before, but continue to hold it up slightly so that it does not stick to the screen yet. Grab the squeegee and push the protector onto the screen from the center to the edge, working from the right to the left and lastly around the edges. This will prevent excess bubbles and save you time. When you are sure major bubbles are removed, lift the tablet and start to gently release the edges of the install tabs. Place the tablet down again, hold onto the screen protector and use one of the tabs to remove the protective layer. Squeeze out any remaining bubbles to the nearest edge and ensure all-round adhesion. Lift and check the tablet for a perfect install, refit any cases and hand it back to a satisfied customer. Lovely jubbly.
Recruits, that concludes your training. You can now complete a flip-fit install with 7H ballistic glass, dust-free.